Gas is on. So 2017, yeah, you're right on the edge of your warranty.
Yeah, I actually called and the girl was like, oh, you know, we'll take your parts, you know, 3 to 4 days from now, this and that. Just give them 3. I was like, oh shit, okay.
Yeah, no, that's cool. You're right on the edge.
I wasn't expecting it, man, at all.
Yeah,
So
yeah, I know. Usually they give you the runaround.
Nah, she was really cool. I was like, hey, man, I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Merry Christmas to me and shit.
Yeah. Yeah, you're gonna get nothing now, huh? Well, you got a little water down in the combustion chamber down here, just because it's sitting so low.
Okay.
So probably rainwater or something.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna drill a little hole over here on the side and just drain all that out.
Okay.
That'll help it run better. But yeah, you're not getting any pilot light yet. So 6, 7. Come on, do it again. Yeah, it really doesn't want to. Try and get it to turn over. 1, 2. Yeah, that's weird. Anyway, so we'll start with that, and then I'll get it drained. Alright, so that'll get some of that water out of there. And next we'll just verify. I'll grab my tools. Yeah. Oops.
Oh shit, you just replaced the
Just the whole cover.
damn.
Yeah, I just pop a different cover on. It's just quicker. So we'll see if it responds. Yeah, see. Now it's blinking normal. And now it's holding the pilot light.
Oh damn.
Yeah.